We're out here in Aledo giving a homeowner a free property inspection after a recent hailstorm. At Caldwell Exteriors, every inspection follows our detailed checklist to make sure nothing's missed. The first step is taking photos of the north, south, east, and west side of your home. These give us a complete overview of your property and help us identify if anything was left out of your insurance estimate. Next, we perform a ground inspection to document any signs of storm damage. We finish your inspection with a comprehensive roof assessment. On the roof, the first thing we check for is any evidence of collateral damage to any soft metals or accessories. All satellites face south and hail typically comes from the west, so I'm inspecting the opposite slope to see if this roof qualifies for storm damage. We use a 10 by 10 test square to measure the density of hail impacts. If there are 10 or more hits, your roof typically qualifies for insurance replacement. After the inspection is complete, we upload your photos into the Inspections Photos portal. Every image is organized for you and your insurance company. If you'd like to know the true condition of your roof, call Caldwell Exteriors today to schedule your free property inspection.